How to fix TikTok videos posted but not showing up on profile. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update TikTok to the latest version. Then open up TikTok on a device. Now tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now first step is to refresh the page. Simply swipe down and release to refresh. If it's still not showing, go back to the home screen. Now open up settings on a device. Now scroll down, then click on apps. Now go to app management. Now scroll down and find TikTok. Now tap on TikTok and click on force stop. Then go to storage uses. Now tap on clear cache. Now go back to the home screen and open up TikTok. If it's still not showing, try checking the videos in your drafts. I hope this should fix your issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.